July celebration here. Looks like they're in full swing right now. Definitely one of the things, do not try this at home. I think these guys doing this, they've had as much experience as, say, our hockey team. They've probably been doing this for decades. So definitely do not try this type of thing at home. But unfortunately, a lot of people do try this thing at home, and the end result is, well, not too good. Some people have been mangled pretty bad trying to do this on their own without the proper experience. But anyway, there you have it. This will probably go on a few, maybe within the next hour. And anyway, 49 years of independence. Happy 4th of July.